Here's the right way to silence notifications on your iPhone. Use the Action button, newer iPhones. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on Action button. Swipe through the available options. Select Silent Mode. Press and hold the Action button. Your iPhone will switch to silent mode. Press and hold again to return to ring mode, silencing your phone instantly during meetings, classes, or important events. Switching between ring and silent mode with a single button press. Enable silent mode from Settings. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Look for the silent mode option. Turn the silent mode toggle on. Your iPhone will now silence calls, alerts, and notifications. Users who prefer adjusting settings manually. iPhones without an Action button. Quickly enabling silent mode when you don't want to use physical buttons. Lower the ringtone and alert volume. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Locate ringtone and alert section. Drag the volume slider all the way to the left. Reduce the volume to your preferred level. Important. This only affects calls and notification sounds. It does not affect music, videos, or game audio. Keeping alerts quiet without completely silencing the phone. Lower media volume. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Locate the volume slider. Drag the slider down to reduce media volume. This affects YouTube videos, music apps, games, streaming services. Note, this does not control the ringtone volume. Use Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Here, click on Focus. Select Do Not Disturb from the list of focus modes. What happens? Incoming calls are silenced. Text messages arrive without sound. App notifications are muted. Best for meetings, classes, sleep time, movies, and presentations. Even when Do Not Disturb is enabled, repeated calls may still come through. Why? If someone calls multiple times within a short period, the iPhone may treat it as an emergency. Use Silent Mode and Do Not Disturb together. Enable Silent Mode. And turn on Do Not Disturb. Keep the ringer volume low if desired, and that's the proper way to silence your iPhone calls, texts, and notifications.